me off guard. All of my friends.
Ayun, so nandito po tayo sa Max Inn Resort dito sa May Bulinaw.
Could it be more than just one night? Kissing the cab ride, head turning left.
Dito tayo ngayon para mag-prenup. Doon yung couple natin nagme-makeup, so lilibot muna ako para may pakita rin sa inyo gaano kaganda tong Max Inn Resort na to. So marami siyang mga pwedeng pagpicturean kagaya nito. Ayan, popo-popo. So mamaya magpapapicture tayo dito. Ayun, may ginagawa pang kubo-kubo dito. Ito yung smoking area. I love it.
I'm bad at pretending, you know I'll be true. Sunday mornings and midnight lights turn into songs that you watch me write.